Quilts of the Underground Railroad were said to be used to communicate information to slaves about how to escape to freedom, a signal to slaves to pack the items needed to travel by wagon or whatever method would be used while traveling. It could also mean to pack the provisions necessary for survival. For today's project, I will be showing you how to make a paper quilt with your kids. You can find these quilt patterns online with a simple Google search. You also need crayons or markers, scissors, poster board, and glue. Print off as many of the quilt patterns as you like. Have your children color each sheet with crayons, markers, or colored pencils and cut off the excess paper. Glue the pieces side by side on poster board to create your quilt pattern. Display and discuss with your children the story behind each piece. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.